Hello guys, good day. So I have this beautiful product that I made yesterday and I want to show you. It's actually a tissue box. Yes, a tissue box. This is how it looks like. Very cute. I mean, very mindful, very demure. So this is the opening. This is actually the opening. I don't know if you can see clearly here. So you'll be taking the tissue from this side. So it goes this way, then yeah, then it goes that way. So anytime that you want to reload it, or let's say it gets finished and you want to reload it, there's an opening here. You see this side? Yeah, there is an opening there. So you open it from this side, and like that's when it gets finished. So let's say this is a new one that I want to insert in it. You just put it in that way. You can actually look for the opening or the tip of it, then you fix it in that way. So you can then close it, then take it from the top here. So let's say this is it, and I made it to suit the size of this particular box. So this is how it goes. You take one, then maybe it's here, then take the next one that way. As you pull it, it will come out, then you take it that way. Yeah, so this is actually a very cool product I made. You can DM for yours. Yeah. So all right, see you in the next one. It's actually how do